everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today I'm yet again in Lake Gentry because I'm going to do a speed test with my Tohatsu 6 horsepower outboard together with my new Saturn SK385XL Kaboat. I put the original propeller on it because I want to go max speed. The original propeller for this motor is a 7.8 by 8. I brought my other one that I like to use, a 7.8 by 7, because some of you viewers ask me, what's the pitch, what does it do, what's the difference? I'm gonna talk about that a little bit after I'm done with the speed test. So let me just get right to it because I got the lake for myself right now. Although it's completely foggy, you can barely see anything, obviously, but that will not get in the way of my video. So let's get right to it. All right, I'm gonna put the motor in gear. I got my GPS set up on my tablet right here. It's gonna show me my max speed. And here we go. It's gonna take a little bit to get into plane. Just a little bit. And I'm in planing. Woo! Yeah! Racking up speed. Woo! This is the max speed. This is it. Once I enter the, that's about 16, yeah? That's the max speed. All right. I think, yeah, 17. Yep, there it is. All right. I think I achieved it. Woo! Oh, that was fun. But let me show you guys. Let me bring the tablet over. No, what did I do? Wait, it's acting up. I apologize. Oh, there it is. So here's the record. That was the max speed that I achieved, 70 miles per hour. Now you gotta keep in mind, I'm by myself. I'm 230 pounds. This setup itself is about 160, with the motor or so. So you gotta keep in mind, weight plays a role. That's one of the reasons why I'm gonna talk about propellers, what you can do to maximize your speed when you carry more people with you and gear. Let me get to that. There's one more thing I want to add to the video. Is like, I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip. You see how long it took me to get into plane? I accelerated and then it went. With the smaller pitch propeller, I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip that I made a video here not too long ago. How quick it goes. Check it out. Ooh, and I'm in plane. And there's the difference between, a smaller pitch propeller and a higher pitch propeller. So I personally prefer having the ability to take off quickly, especially in dangerous spots when you are fighting swells and waves. I like to have the ability to take off very quickly. That's why I prefer the smaller pitch. So I don't mind sacrificing the top speed, although top speed is kind of fun too. So I gotta be honest with you. There's a place for everything. You gotta understand what your situation is. What do you need? Do you need the original props? You get a smaller one. It all depends on your style of, riding on the water and what you're actually going to be tackling. Anyway, yeah. So, let's talk about propeller. For example, I got the original propeller on it, the 7.8 by 8. You guys saw I got about 17 miles per hour. I already know for a fact that with this one, because I've tried it multiple times with multiple different boats, kaboats and all that, I get about 14. But what is the difference here? You see these blades? The pitch opens up the blade so it grabs more water and pushes more water forward. However, it lowers the RPMs on the engine. For example, right now, if I were to switch the propeller to this one, the RPMs on my engine will go higher. Although the blades are grabbing less water, they're spitting faster, causing more push forward, which allows you to push more heavier stuff. That's basically what you want to do on your outboard. If you happen to have a 4 horsepower, there's nothing much you can do on the small ones. The 2.5s, the 2 horse, there's not a whole lot you can do with those. You can start playing with the propellers once you get into the 4 horsepower or higher. The 4-stroke engines, they have more power, more oomph. That's when you actually start playing with the propeller. So yeah, guys, max speed with the 6 horsepower Tohatsu Saturn SK385XL, 70 miles per hour by myself, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's a short video. It is a small request that I had recently, and I'm going to fulfill it. See you guys in the next one. Later.